Hey kitchen lovers, today I've got 10 must-have kitchen gadgets that are clever, fun and make life way easier. If you love smart tools that save time and add style to your cooking, you are in for a treat. Like this video and subscribe so you never miss out on the coolest kitchen finds. Nostalgia Indoor Electric S'mores Maker. Bring campfire vibes indoors with this s'mores station. Roast marshmallows right at your table, no fire needed. Perfect for movie nights, parties or cozy snacks at home. Fun, safe and mess-free for the whole family. Foodprint pen. Turn your coffee, cookies or macarons into edible art. This mini print pen connects via Bluetooth and prints design directly on food. Great for parties, special gifts or showing off your barista skills. Sandwich maker. Make 2 custom breakfast sandwiches in minutes. Add your bread, egg, cheese and anything you like. Then let it cook while you relax. Perfect for busy mornings or lazy Sundays. Tasty, fast and super easy to clean. Silicone sink thawing belt. Forget hours of waiting for frozen meat to defrost. This clever belt wraps around your sink and thaws food safely in minutes. No electricity needed. A must-have for fast, last-minute cooking. Simple, safe and reusable. Pot lid lifter. Makes it your pot's tiny helper. He keeps the lid probed open to prevent messy boilovers. Cute, functional and perfect for soup or stew days. Add some fun to your stovetop routine. Garlic press set. Say goodbye to smelly garlic fingers. This premium garlic press crushes cloves effortlessly and cleanups in seconds. It even comes with a peeler and cleaning brush. Nana Heads Banana Saver. Yes, these little heads keep your bananas fresher longer. They are reusable, BPA free and totally adorable. Pop one on the stem to slow reopening and reduce waste. A fun solution that actually works. Portable pill popper tool. No more struggling with blister packs. This tool safely and easily pop pills out. Great for seniors or those with arthritis. It's compact, simple and a lifesaver for daily meds. Small tool, big relief. Electric can opener. Open any can with just one touch. No wrist strain, no sharp edges. Perfect for left-handers, seniors or anyone who wants safe, easy kitchen tools. It's sleek, rechargeable and super convenient. A modern twist on an everyday essential. Safety handguard. This ergonomic handguard keeps your fingers safe while you slice. Non-slip, durable and designed for speed and protection. Which gadget did you like the most? Tell me in the comments. You will find all the product links in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.